Zeeshan just got like this water. You saw that? It's distilled water. And he is going to use that to wash his hair because he said Kansas water is not nice. It makes his hair drop. Yeah. So guys, I'm telling you a secret. He's the prince of Pakistan. So if you want to get rich someday, you better marry him right now. If you don't marry him on time, he'll get all the ladies in Kansas City. But anyway, guys, have fun. Have a nice night. Bye bye.
You do have a nice night.
Yep. Zeeshan is looking for yogurt. So, no, it's just for vlog. Which yogurt is more pretty, right? Pick up a yogurt like
That's
picking up.
the prettiest yogurt you can, bro.
Exactly.
That is the prettiest.
Yes, it's the prettiest. Okay. Seems like you have a what is it called, satisfaction or.
I'm satisfied with my yogurt.
Oh yeah. Guys, now we're in Walmart and Zeeshan is picking up his eggs. Yeah, he said you're gonna get a green egg because green egg seems more handsome. Yeah, I don't know what the logic is, but I told him I'm not buying anything. I just got a watermelon and the huge ass eggs. Alright guys, welcome to Kansas Fashion. Today I'm going to use this mask on my face because Zeeshan is going to cast and I don't want him cast on my face. Alright, go Zeeshan. Alright, see if he can get something.
Hello guys, this is Kansas Fashion again.
Yeah, it's Kansas Fashion. By the way, Kansas Fashion just went to ER last week for eyes. I actually went to ER last week.
What happened?
My eyes, I studied too hard.
Oh. You studied too hard.
Look, it just suddenly just can't get up.
Did it break?
No, it's here. It's here. Let's move. Do you want to move that? Zeeshan can attract fish with his handsomeness instead of jig. So jig is nothing for him. Okay, ready to see how he gets fish. Second round, our handsome Zeeshan. Alright guys, now oh, I almost fall down in the water, guys.
In my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean